So what I'm doing is the winch tower I'm putting on top of the lookout. I'm just trying to see if I can, what would make sense, because so if we have the post like 95 to center, that'd be sweet. I don't know what that would look like, because the thing's 15 feet long, 95 to center. I need to just remember that instead of talking to you guys. Oh, there's so much walking. Every time I go do a project away from this area, it's like 50 trips, because I don't have any place to store any tools all over the place. Plus I'm a scatterbrain, so I get going on one thing, I work on something else, and I need something for it, so I come down here and I see a bunch of stuff down here that needs to be done, and then I go back up there and work on that, and I just bounce all over the place. So this hole is 3 feet deep. I want to go deeper, and then it's 95 to center. So I'm gonna pop on the radio. I'm gonna start doing some stuff. Yep, I'll probably sing to you guys. Who knows? So 95 to center. So for all you saying that, you know, oh, he should be using a post hole digger, right? Well, I thought about bringing him out here because it's, you know, it's just more stuff to have to bring out here and move 55 times. So I've never had a problem digging holes, you know, get on my hands and knees and get right down up in them. And I actually think it might be time to get a post hole digger. I feel that my hand dug holes, I can usually get them around 3 feet pretty easy, and I feel like I should be going a lot deeper than that. You know, to build a house you have to go 4 feet, because that's the frost line, to put a foundation or footers or something like that. I don't know if this island even really freezes much, honestly, because it's so full of salt. I wish it would freeze, because then it'd be harder for the erosion to take it out. Oh, maybe that's what it is. The storms are hitting and the ground's not frozen like it should be, right? Yep, probably. I don't know. I'm actually doing a lot better job talking to myself, I noticed. Well, not completely talking to myself. Kinda not really. Whew. I should probably go get, see, look, now I need water. So, because I should be drinking water often doing stuff like this, right? So now I don't have water. So it's another trip back down. Oh, I forgot the drill anyways. Oh, my shoulders sore. My geez, if anyone's like a physical therapist or a masseuse or something, they want to come out and volunteer to rub me out, see if I can't loosen myself up to work harder, you know. I mean, you know, if you like nature and puppies and stuff, water, boats, swimming. think I'm gonna get one. Oh, we got one right here, good. Digging right next to the poison ivy too, you see that? Gotta be careful. I mean, the disgusting truth about it, just to be honest with my subscribers and stuff, like, I've gone in the water once since I've been here, and today's July 3rd, and I stink. This is probably too much information, Mark, sorry. I don't know. Just getting to know me, you know. Just talking about my life stories while I dig 4 feet down in a 10-foot sand dune here. Oh, damn, that's deep, bro. The problem is it's not below all that shit. Whew. Oh, boy, I just feel better about myself digging a hole, you know. I think once you start digging and get through all the crybaby aches and pains and everything else, you actually feel tough. I feel tough. Pick up this 4x6. So this is from the Milestone Recovery Program in Old Orchard Beach. This was their back deck. So we hoarded it and then brought it out here. Whoa! Whew! That was heavy. My wrists hurt. Is this one of the other ones? I don't know, this must be one of the other ones. The front one. Whew! Holy cow. This is cool. Axopar! This is how desperate I am for people. I mean, they are X-Par owners, which is awesome because East Coast Yacht Sales lets me use their dock when I have to go back to the mainland. Because my dad's their oh shit, we can't find anybody guy. And he's always there for them. And I mean, it's an absolute honor to have that. So I just thought I'll just give these guys 10 out of 10 accommodations here. You know, all inclusive. You can come to shore. It's all sandy. Well, thank you for choosing X-Par boats. East Coast Yacht Sales lets me use their dock when I go back to the mainland. So you would get a VIP triple platinum plus tour if you wanted it. I have a website and I have a YouTube channel. Maybe next time when the weather's better. I'm here all summer. Woo! Happy 4th of July weekend! Woo! Come on. Where's the baby girl? Sell them X-Pars, keep them in business.